To create line, at first create sketch, click on create sketch, select the plane on which you want to create the line, then click on line command. Keyboard shortcut for line is L. You can also press L on keyboard to activate the line command. Click here, give the first point, then take your cursor away. As you take your cursor away, it will show you the length and the angle. Suppose I want to create horizontal line of 85 length, then click there. Then again take your cursor in desired direction. I want to create one inclined line. Now this inclined line I want to create of the length of 80. Give the length 80, then press tab for angle and give the angle. I want it to be 120 degree. Then click the point. It will create the line. Same way you can continue creating the line object by clicking the points, and once the object is closed it will stop the line command, but line command is still working there. To come out of the line, press escape, and if you want to change the length of some line, click here and give the dimension, sketch dimension, select the line, give the position and give the new length, press enter. Then if you want to give angle for some line, click on the line, click on the other line and give the angle how much you want, enter, then press escape. And to come out of the sketch, click on stop sketch. That's all. Thanks for watching. We will stop here.